Hi, I'm Charles and I'm going to show you how to make a website quickly with Google Sites. So I use Google Sites to make blended learning resources and simple e-learning for my training sessions. Something to read and try before the lesson, or something to practice and try out afterwards or as part of a course.
Okay, so let's demonstrate how to do a Google site. So I've logged into Google Drive. I've got the folder I want. I'm going to click on New. I'm going to click on More section, and here we have Google Sites. Now, this is quite fantastic. This is definitely one of the real hidden gems that Google has to offer. So it gives us a dummy site. We look at the header image. Straight away we can change the image if we wanted to, and we can select images provided by Google, which is quite handy. Let's choose this lovely mixing desk just for a starter. We can put the title in, and then it's got a whole load of pre-made sections and segments and little layouts we can use here in this bottom corner. So I'm going to start with something like this. Perhaps we could have like an introduction, or perhaps we could add this big section here, and then these different things we can put in different elements. You notice here we can select images, we can put something from our actual drive or YouTube, for example. And if you look at the side here, you can see there's a whole load of extra components, so calendars, maps, again, documents, slides, forms, charts, you name it, it's got the lot. We can add just about everything. Let's just do for an example. We'll take an image. I'll go to my Google Drive, and we'll click on the images file, and let's just the end. That's exciting, isn't it? That's quite marvelous. We'll just pop that in there, just like that. If we want to put some text in, text box, start writing, hello even. We can change the size quite easy as well. We select the element, we can drag that bad boy in there. We can put different images on in different places. We can put in buttons and such like. So here we go, put a button with an actual link on it. Easy peasy, just build a website, no problem, no messing around. Just like that.
You could make the whole website for everything you use, but I prefer to keep it simple. One site with one page for one topic, no messing.
Let's work on a bit of an example, shall we? I've got this site here from my own Photoshop course. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to recreate this section here. Let's delete that. We're going to recreate that, and we're going to have a bit of a mess around. Let's see what we can put in. So the first thing, I want to include an extra segment in here. I want to build in something from my drive. I want to build in a slideshow to this particular lesson. I'm going to go into slides. I get to choose the one I want. It's right here at the top. It knows I was coming for it. Let's build this in here. I'll just move that above the line. There we go. Put that in the right place. We can make it bigger as well. So let's scale that up to make the full size of the page, or something like that. Something that as near as makes no difference. So we've got a slideshow built in. Then I want to, we're going to recreate this. So let's put in an extra tutorial at the bottom, and we'll show you how to put this form in as well. Let's delete that. So to build in an extra section, I'm going to take one of these pre-made sections. Let's just drag this above here into the part where we want it. We don't need these, so I'm going to delete both of those. They're in the way. This is too small as it is, so I'm going to make this bigger, and I'm going to take it from YouTube. So the video I want is this fantastic little video about making the dispersion effect by Ricard Rodin from Nuclei. Thank you very much. Let's take the link from that. We're going to paste this in here. Search. That's the one we want. Select. So I'm going to put in a text box. I'm going to drag this text box into the space at the side of this video here. Jumps around a little bit. Let's pop in the information that I want. So I've already got a title, so let's pop that in there. And we're going to change that to the subheading. I'm going to take, I've already got the text. Let's copy this in here. Like so. There we go. And that's come out a little bit weird, but we can fix that. We'll just turn that into bullets. Like so. There we go. So we've got a video, we've got some text, and then finally I want to embed a form. So I'm going to take this again from my Google Drive. I've got this Photoshop feedback form. Let's insert that. Here it is. Let's just pop it next to the section we want here, just to make this look a little bit tidier. Let's do it again. Just make that look a little bit neater. There we go. Voila! One excellent little website. Now, in reality, this only took me, when I did this properly, it took me, 45 minutes, I reckon. I'm going to click the publish button here. With this one, when you do it the first time, it just publishes straight away. Whenever you change it, it gives you the draft you've got open now and the one that's currently published. So you've got version control as well, so it doesn't change automatically like other Google documents. I'm going to click publish. We count to 10. We don't need to go all the way to 10. And then here at the top, we have the link. I'm going to select this link. Let's open it up in a new tab. And let's look at this. How professional is this? Absolutely superb. Not bad for what was arguably quite a short time, quite an easy bit of work.
To sum up, if you're getting into blended learning, Google Sites is a great place for regular teachers to go rogue and create their own e-learning and distance learning materials. Take all those important videos, slideshows, quotes and notes and put them all in one place to give to your learners. Easy peasy, try it and see. Thanks for watching.